Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Do you have a service due on your Renault Laguna Mark III? Well, today I'm going to show you how to reset it. To access the service due or service light, including the spanner, to reset it, put your key card into the dash or just turn on your ignition but don't start the engine. Let it do its checks. And then using the trip computer buttons, navigate to service due, there you go, and hold in the bottom trip computer button until you see the mileage and time until the next service. Now let go, and it's telling you it's now due a service in 30,000 kilometers or 12 months. Switch off the ignition by removing the key. Put the key back in. Let it do self-checks. All good. We hope you found that video useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.